Hey guys, what's up? It's Caleb and I'm back at it with another video. Today I have my Switch, the Nintendo Switch original. Yeah, it's not no Switch Lite, but I'll turn it on real quick and I'll show you guys what's up. So I have to press the A button right there. So I do that, and it makes a weird noise. It kind of makes like a listen. So that does that. I press B, same noise. Y, same noise. X, same noise. Even over here, same noise. Same noise. Same noise. Same noise. These are weird. Listen. I'm pressing on the Joy-Con right here. And it makes like a weird humming noise. What is that? It's like a dying cat. Same noise. Screenshot. That just took a screenshot. Plus button. That's the volume. Listen to these right here. The LG. What is that? Or is it L2? Whatever. I'm just gonna go L2. Real quick. So, turn it back on. L2. Oh, press A. Different noise. L. Same noise. R. Same noise, and then I'll press R2. Turn it back on. Press A, and look, it makes like a clown noise. So that's all my games. That's pretty much what the noise makes when you turn on the volume and whatnot. So these are all my games. I have Fortnite, I have YouTube, I have Asphalt 9, I have Mario, Sonic, Big Hunter Arcade, the game, Marvel Super Heroes 2, Kirby the Clash. That game's stupid. And I'm fresh. I'm not showing you guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Today I was just gonna show you what kind of noises it makes when you press random buttons on the Switch, turn it on. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And maybe, just maybe, I'll do a video playing a game. A game. No favorites or anything. Just a game. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thumbnail shot.